Okay, so there's a reason why they have these yellow solid lines and then the broken yellow lines and stuff like that. So I'm going around this turn in here, and there's a tractor. This guy decides to pass on this blind corner, double yellow striped. So you never want to pass on these, because you never know if somebody's on the other side, you won't be able to see, or if someone's going too fast. If there were 2 cars here, we would have crashed, because I was able to move over a little. But if there was no room there, that guy would have head-on collided. So double yellow, if you don't know how these lines work, I don't know how you got your driver's license. Double yellow means treat it like a wall. You're not supposed to cross over this. Obviously people do it when there's like a shopping area or something that they're turning into. But usually if it's safe to do that, they'll actually completely remove the double yellow, and there'll be a big hole, so that way you can turn in there and not go over the double yellow. If the lines starts getting broken on one side, if the lines are on your side, that means you can cross over the line and cross back. But you want to be careful, because you want to keep an eye on the line. It will change either back to double yellow, or the lines will flip. So the reason they do that is because you don't have good visibility depending on which way the road is turning, if it's going up or down a hill, things like that. So they take all of that into account, and they paint the lines so that you have good visibility for that overtake. So you don't want to overtake on a turn. Definitely don't overtake on a turn. That's the dumbest thing you can do. And then don't overtake, obviously, if it's a straight line and then it's double solid, usually it's because you don't have that far visibility. So if it's like going up a hill or something, you're not going to be able to see as much as the person on the other side. And you can tell because the way they do the lines. So if it's just a single line broken, then that means either side can overtake there, because both sides have good visibility. So yeah, don't do stupid stuff like this, overtaking on a blind spot. No, there's no point rushing that much that you're going to risk your life overtaking on a blind. See like this, it's solid, because you're going up a hill, you can't see what's on the other side. So if you try and overtake here and then a car all of a sudden comes over that hill, you're gonna crash. So yeah, they paint the lines that way for a reason. And yeah, pay attention to it. Don't just think of it as, oh, this is stupid, this person's slow, I'm just gonna overtake. They paint the lines that way for a reason, because if you don't listen to it, there's a much higher chance you're gonna crash and die. So yeah, here you can watch it again. That person was like flashing their lights, probably trying to warn me. See? It's crazy.